Hi! It's the Christmas season. Have our roast chicken for Christmas lunch or dinner with your family or friends. This is roast chicken marinated with a homemade barbecue sauce. So, this is what you need. I use a South African food chutney from Mr. H.S. Bowles. You can buy it at Woolworths. First, I am going to make the barbecue sauce. Wash, peel, and chop an onion. Please be careful of your fingers. Add 2 tablespoons of rice oil into a pot and turn heat to between high and mid. Add the onion and stir. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Next, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Four tablespoons of fruit chutney. If you don't have chutney, use chopped dry fruits such as apricot or figs. Three tablespoons of vinegar. I use rice vinegar. You can use balsamic or apple vinegar. Two tablespoons of tomato puree. Okay, so next, this is very hard to pronounce. Okay, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Did I get it right? And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of tabasco sauce. And finally, the tinned tomatoes. I'm using crushed tomatoes. Simmer until the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Next, prep the roast sweet potato. Wash and cut the sweet potato into 1.5 to 2 centimeter cubes. Put the sweet potato into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice oil. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and mix well. Pour the sweet potato into a baking dish. Next, marinate the whole chicken. Using 5 tablespoons of barbecue sauce we made earlier and rub it over the whole chicken. Pour 1 tablespoon of rice oil and the baking dish and spread with paper. Put the chicken in the baking dish. Put the chicken and the sweet potato into your oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Now we'll prep the broccoli and the cherry tomatoes. Wash all vegetables. Cut the tomatoes in half. Cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of rice oil into a fry pan and turn the heat to mid. Stir fry the broccoli until the edges start to brown, usually about 2 or 3 minutes. Add the cherry tomato and add 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt, then stir constantly for a couple minutes. Place all the cooked vegetables on a plate. Take the chicken from the oven and check it cooked through. Cut it and put the pieces on the vegetables. So this is my barbecue style roast chicken for Christmas. It's pretty easy to make and a little different than traditional roast chicken. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, click subscribe and like. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!